Happy Friday, guys. Sorry I can't be here today. I am unfortunately at a funeral, but I am here to walk you through all the important reminders about next week and to walk you through your assignment today. So first, if you have any permission slips for the field trip, today is the last day to hand them in. So please give your permission slip and money to Mrs. Tennyson, and she will know exactly what to do with it. And next week is ELA MCAP. So I posted the testing groups and schedule on the stream of Google Classroom. You can see that you'll go to period 1 for a short amount of time, and then we'll have about 2 hours of testing, and then you will see all of your periods out of order: 2, 4, 3, 5, 6. 4 will be an hour because of lunch, but all other classes will be about 37 minutes. Your testing groups are linked here. So look for your name in alphabetical order, and the carnival information is here. In order to go to the carnival, you must be on your best behavior and attendance next week for MCAP. Charged Chromebooks, make sure you're trying the best of your ability on your test to be able to go to the MCAP carnival. So if you have any questions about that, any of your teachers should be able to answer those questions. Just make sure you know where you're going Monday for testing. Next, you do have a quiz on Monday on surface area. It's a 4-question quiz, so make sure you're prepared for that. Before you leave the room, please clean up any calculators or pencils you borrowed, put back where they belong. Any bad reports from the substitute will be an automatic referral, which means no field trip. So please don't ruin your field trip. And after today, you don't get a refund if you already paid. So don't make your families mad when you don't get your $15 back. All right, let's move on to our assignment. You are getting a paper surface area using Net's worksheet. You may use a calculator and make sure it gets in the turn-in bin when you are finished. There will be some questions like this one that include triangles, so make sure when you find the area of your triangle, you are dividing by 2. Okay, so for example, we would do 5 times, there's a decimal there, 5 4/10, but then divide by 2 because that is a triangle. Okay. However, you have to keep in mind that there are 4 of those identical triangles. So every triangle is 13.5. Quicker way than adding that up 4 times would be to multiply by 4. So all the triangles together would have an area of 54. And then our square in the middle would be 5 4/10 times 5 4/10 because it is a perfect square, which would get you 29 1600ths. And then don't forget your last step of adding all of your areas together. So 29 1600ths plus 54 will be 83 1600ths. Don't forget your labels. This is still area, so it is inches squared. This is the work I expect to see on all 4 pages. When you're done, you need to check for missing work. Today is the last day of the interim, so today is the last day you can turn in missing work to me. If you have no missing work, you need to do something quiet. Read, draw. I have word searches on my back table. Muted games on your Chromebook is fine, but all work needs to be done before you do anything of that nature. I will be back Monday, so please be respectful to the substitute, do what they say, sit in your assigned seats, and please clean up the room before you leave. Have a good weekend.